Posekete ontropoi. How is everyone doing? My name is Dr. David C. Noe, and I want to share with you today an opportunity that you have to study Greek with me through something I've developed called the Moss Method for Greek. This is a program that will take you from neophyte to erudite. Neophyte means a tender little shoot. It's actually two Greek words, neos, an adjective, and phuo, to grow, that are put together. So you start out as a little seedling, a sapling of Greek, and you grow. We add in the sunlight, the water, the fertilizer of daily vocabulary study, lots of note-taking, seeing lots of examples in the wild of actual Greek, as I like to say. And over the course of time, you grow into a tall, strong todendron, a tree of Greek. You're going to have lots of confidence. Now you might say, Dr. Noe, how can I do that, and why should I adopt you as my teacher? Those are two great questions. I can already tell you're going to be a fine student. First, you should do it because Greek is a beautiful language. Some of the best literature in the world is written in this language, from Homer and Plato and Aristotle and Demosthenes all the way down to the New Testament. There's a tremendous amount of delicious material written in the Greek language. Second, why should you do it with me? Well, because I am an experienced teacher and, perhaps more importantly, student of the Greek language. I have been studying Greek since 1992 and teaching it almost as long. That means pretty much any mistake that you can make in the Greek language, I've already made. And I can show you how to sidestep those mistakes and go on to greater confidence and ability. So the Moss Method course, we're starting a new module this fall, a new cohort, I should say, of Module 1, has 40 video lessons. I take you through all the Greek in very close detail. It's got 6 quizzes and 2 exams. It's a full Greek course. You're going to get so much confidence and strength if you study with me. And this fall, for our new cohort, I have a new feature, and that's called the Hordrai Consulendi, that is the office hours. That is, each week I'm going to set up a time to meet with you, my cohort, and other people can stop in if they want to, so you can have all of your questions answered. You can develop real skill and confidence. So what should you do next? Go to my website, mossmethod.com, see the sample lesson, check out my approach, see if it's suited to you. Come along, let's learn Greek this fall, let's get real about it.